Marketing value, yeah, it's very important. Uh, any brand should be, if any brand want to grow, main thing is marketing, right? Yeah, so iOS is the second most popular mobile brand, mobile operating system after Android. So actually now Android is in first and iOS is in second. uh, Sales of Android iPads in recent days are behind Android, while by using web use, iPads use iOS are still most popular. In the middle of 2012, there were 410 million devices activated. In 2012, okay. At WWDC 2014, Tim Cox said 800 million devices have been sold in 2014. Wow, guys, really awesome. During Apple's quarterly earnings call in January 2015, the company announced that they had sold over a billion iOS devices since 2007. By the late of 2011, iOS acquired for 60% of market shares for smartphones and tablets. By the end of 2014, iOS accounted for 14.8% and 26% for tablets, and two in one market in February 2015. In the third quarter of 2015, researchers from Strategy Analytics shows that iOS adoption of the worldwide smartphone brands. Okay, so basically it's telling about the marketing value about the thing. So in 60% plus, so iOS 60% market share for my smartphones and brands, accounted 60% of my market share in the end of 2014. So yeah, this statistic shows Apple iPhone sales worldwide from third quarters of 2007. You can see, guys, there was nothing. I iPhone was bankrupted in 2005, but now you can see, right? Uh, uh, Apple brand is so rich. So yeah, they're saving because of this marketing trend. That's all. Each iPhones is sold in average of $695. It's too high, right? These are the mobile phones, recent mobile phones from past 2000, I think 2016, 15, from that side. Or recent phones are Apple iPhone 12, that is 79,900, and iPhone Max, that is 112, 1,29,000. And these are the phones, recent phones. And guys, if these are the parts of the iPhone. Uh, because of this thing, iPhone looks thinner. You can see uh, this is the camera actually, and this thing is what you call as wireless charging. Recent days, wireless charging is then the new trend, right? And that this is the main reason for that. And this is the battery, camera, and this is the volume rockers and power button. Down. Yeah, this is SIM ejection tool, and this is charging port, and this is selfie camera. Yeah, guys, and these are all the supporting parts for the. Okay. Advantages of iOS are coming to the advantages. Easier, faster, and cheaper building process. Its building process is easier, faster, and cheaper. Solid market shares in US and Europe. Market shares are very solid in US and Europe. Brings more revenue to average. Yeah, guys, basically it brings more revenue. One iPhone means 12 lakh 25,000 means you can take a lakh of it. Apple have few bugs. Apple's have fewer bugs. Comparing to the Android, Apple have fewer bugs because it never if you keep your hands on the fingerprint or if you show your face, it never tells wrong. It will open. But in our Android, sometimes it will take 2 to 3 times, right? Yeah. So quality presentation is very good. Actually, Samsung gives the AMOLED LED, AMOLED LED screen, whereas iPhone gives the LED LCD screen. But if you look together, there will be no changes. Everything, the both the phones look like the same. Actually, AMOLED is a bit costly than LCD. Touch optimization is very good. It has great touch optimization. Graphic function is also very great. If you play BGMI in or PUBG in your Apple phones, you won't get any lag. One second. Yeah, no, you won't get any lag. Usable offline, and it's usable it's usable in on offline and online. We can use a phone in offline too. online and desktop applications. You can you will get online and desktop applications like um, my network something. Okay, remote control iOS. We'll get remote control for iOS. We'll get a separate app called iRemote or something. We can control through that your computers and your TVs. Quality themes. You get themes, good themes, but those are paid. Okay, disadvantages of iOS. iOS has twice fewer users. Most difficult to publish an app. It's most difficult to publish, and it has only few users because of the cost. More in the cost. As I told, more in the cost. Application ecosystem is bit trickier to use. It's not as easy as Android. Requires Apple hardware. For example, if I take this Samsung phone and if I root it and I can add the Google and I add the anything like Realme's UI, that is user interface. But in iOS, we cannot do that. We cannot root actually. It's too tricky to root. Too tricky. It's not so easy. They have been strictly told that we cannot root. Yeah, and Apple requires ID and iOS. Apple's ID. So anything you need to log in, you need to give that ID. Apple brings less revenue from Apple ID, app ID ads. For example, I have published an ads on App Store. I don't get much revenue or much money from that. But in Android, I'll get more revenue. If you are planning to install any app, you need to give, as I told, you should give money for all the apps. Leaving some few apps, you should give all apps. Major disadvantage by is you to buy charger. Okay, so this is the new um disadvantage. That is, you should buy earphones and charger separately. If you in that box, you'll get only iPhone. You won't get anything. So you should buy separately that for earphones and charger. How iOS is better than Android? So you may be you may be asking, then how is iOS better than Android? So as iOS gives more privacy security and control over the apps, but Android it gives more privacy security and control over the apps. So as I told, we cannot root iOS, but Androids are easily rootable. iOS is not just OS; it's an ecosystem. Much like Android, you can create virus for Android, not for iOS. Yeah, you cannot create virus for iOS, as I told, because of that routing. If you root in Android, you will get virus. Sometimes you'll get virus, but not in iOS. iOS apps are written in Objective Complete or Swift. Both are faster in Java and Kotlin. Most iOS works faster than Android apps. Yeah, as I told, most of the apps most of the apps are uh, Apple phones are most faster. If you're playing games, it won't lag. And if you use that iPhone for 5 to 6 years, it won't lag. But Android you cannot use more than 4 years because it will lag sometimes. Let's heating up and let's heat up experience. It won't get heated up soon. It will get heated up only if you're playing like for hour 5 to 6 hours or 10 hours. If you play, then it will start heating a bit, not too late. Okay, so if you're thinking of buying an iPhone or iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay, you may be asking me then, how is this iPhone so fast? Because of that bionic chip. Yes, recently iPhones are using chips called as the processors called as bionic chip. How in basically in Android we use the chips called as uh, processors named as Exynos or Snapdragon, Helio or MediaTek. It's most of them, but iPhones use the processors called as bionic chip. Those bionic chips are very fast and very costly too. If you need the chip, you need to pay around 60 to 70,000 only for the chip. Yeah, iPhone is also a bit. We won the competition in with Galaxy Note 10 and Pixel XL and also Galaxy S20. It has been so fast in the benchmark. They actually check the benchmark where benchmark means it will show your performance of your processor. Okay, these are the list of processors. Basically, uh, from the first from 2005, uh, iPhone has launched more number of processors like A series, S series, T, H, U, M, and miscellaneous. Okay, so I'll show you one by one. This was the series A series. This was the first processor, APL processor, and this was launched in 2007 with the first generation iPhone, first generation, and iPhone 3G. And we have more number of chips. Okay, 1 second. I'll just okay. So yeah, these are the basic chips. You can see how many number of chips were used: A13, A14, and these were the 5 S series chips. Those were the A series chips, A12C. This is the chip actually. Okay, so I just skip that A14 chip, no problem. You can see that it's same as like A13. Say it has the same configuration, but its name has been changed. That's all. It has the same configuration. The currently running the A14 chip. So uh, if you are if you know a bit about VLSI, then you will be knowing about what is the 7M, 5M, and that's the thickness of your chip. Yeah, and coming to the ARM iPhone, this is used in uh, A13 was used in iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, SE, etc. So yeah, I will go for more further. Yeah, and these are the S series chips, and these are T series chips. That these are W series chips. W series chips were used in AirPods. Most of the W series chips are used in AirPods and Apple Watches. And H series chips, these are also now currently used in AirPods. Those AirPods which are around 70,000, right? Headphones type of it. That one. U series chips. U series chips are used in AirTags. AirTag is nothing but it's an item. If you put or if you install it in your phone, you can find out anywhere. It gives the beep sound like raise your phone. M series and miscellaneous series. Why people prefer Android more than iOS? People prefer more Android than iOS because it's easy. Cost is less and easy to use. We can root it easily. Can download any APK, but in iOS it's not possible. For example, take our brainstorming sessions app. It's basically an APK. Not we have not yet published in Play Store, but so that if you use iPhone, then you cannot download our app. But if you're Android user, you can download our app. Sharing is easy, customization is easily done. Voice assistant is good. Voice assistant is good and Android. Yeah, that is and Google Assistant and Google Drive is best than iCloud because Google Drive basically gives you around 15 to 20 GB free, whereas iCloud gives only 5 GB, which will be expiring around like 1 month or 1 year. Then you should pay them more for month yearly to get that space. Some recent products other than iPhone, Apple MacBook Pro, uh, Apple AirPods Pro, and Apple AirPod Max. AirPod Pros are like small, tiny thing, and Pro Max is that headphone. 27-inch Mac book, that is this one, Mac LCD screen, and iPod Pro, this one, iPad Pro, and watch, Apple Watch, and the AirTags. Okay, fun facts about that. Okay, we have just less 1 minute, guys. If the session ends out, please rejoin again. Okay. Fun facts on iOS. Apple company is world's valuable company. It's the most valuable company, and the solid cash uh, they have right now is around 15 trillion. Yes, guys, they have around 15 trillion solid cash. The first logo of Apple company was like this. Can you imagine if you use if the Apple company was like this, then it would look like this. Our phones would look like this. Actually, we can see that Isaac Newton, who found out gravity. Yeah, so the direct competitor for the iPhone is nothing but Samsung, which was built 300 years ago as a vegetable shop. Business strategy of Apple has not yet changed so further. This company went through bankrupt in some years ago, but Microsoft bought it and for $150 million. Okay, for $150 million they bought it, and then recently the Microsoft actually sold their shares. Yeah, evolution of you can see the evolution of logo. Okay, we're coming to the last part, that is conclusion part. And in conclusion, okay, Android and iOS both are same. Uh, both does the same work, and yeah, but iPhone may be costly, but Android is very easy to use and user friendly. Android may be a bit laggy, but iPhone but not laggy. So both has the same disadvantages and advantages. So you can use any phones, so no matter. And thank you. Yeah. So you can tell your reviews.
Yes,
Yeah, Jagdish.
yes, Sojan. Starting from the first slide till the last slide, it was totally knowledge packed, and we came to know various other things because we are not we in the sense me. Okay, no, not let us not take everyone. I'll talk individually. Considering me, I'm not a iOS user. Starting from my first mobile till now, I'm using the Android ones. So it was often difficult for me to judge whether Android mobile is good or iOS is good. But after listening to your session, now I can easily relate what are the different things, uh, how the working is different, or why iOS is so costly, why it's in the sense of why it's so expensive when compared with Android, and why most of the people choose Android, and why some people have the taste to opt for iOS. So all these things was covered in this session, and this was very nice, a very good try, Sojan. This was really fantastic.
Thank you, Jagdish. Thank you so much. Others. Okay, before that, I forgot to tell you a small story about iOS. I'll tell in Kannada only. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ಆಪಲ್ ಐಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ರೆಡಿ ಆದಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ತಂದು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತು ಫೋನ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸ್ಟೀವ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಸ್ಟೀವ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋನ್ನ ಪಟಾರ ತೆಸ್ದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಡೇ ಅಂಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆ ಫೋನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದು ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಬಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ನನಗೆ ತಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಫೋನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐಫೋನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ತಿನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಯಾ, ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್. Okay, you can all give your valuable feedbacks, or you can just write in the chat box. Jagdish, blog that blog about a blog, please tell about a blog. Thank you, Sutej. Thank you so much for your.
Yeah. Okay. Here, some of the participants are there, and rest of them, due to some reasons, they are not able to attend this session. Okay, let's not worry, and they should not feel that, oh, today I missed the session, because every session is a valuable session, and something good concept or some good amount of knowledge will be delivered. So let's not waste it. So all these sessions are converted into a blog form and uploaded in our team brainstorming sessions website. You can read it, because reading is a very good mental exercise. You can earn a lot of patience by reading, and it also energize you. So please do read our blog, don't miss it. And another announcement is, coming Saturday we have another session. It's going to be a what do you call it, as a big powerful session, because there will be a lot of other participants, new participants will be arriving, and old participants who are not there from these days, they will be joining. They will give some amount, very good amount of deliverables. So please don't miss it. Okay, Saturday sessions, please do attend it, and that's it. We'll inform what will be the concept taken in next session very shortly, and please do participate. That's it, Sojan.
Yeah, guys, and also if you have missed our previous sessions, do visit our YouTube channel. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, you will get all the fresh contents. You can see all our sessions there. You can read our sessions in website. You can see our sessions in our website, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Our we'll share our links to you so that you can just you get the
And
motivations,
also
right? Yeah.
share with your friends.
Yeah. Please share with your friends because knowledge is important, right? Knowledge will gain. We can gain knowledge. Others can also gain knowledge for your sharing. Okay, then we can start. We can stop, right? You can
Yeah, we
end,
can.
right? End, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, definitely,
Okay.
Sojan. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you all for joining
yeah.
and
Thank you and all. Thank you.
sitting patiently.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Good night. Good night, guys.
Yeah.
We'll meet on
Good night.
Saturday.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye bye.